Morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm well, sir. Thank you. How about you?
Very well. I'm actually closer to Mumbai. I'd come to Mumbai for a wedding,
Okay.
and then now I'm in Pune
Okay.
uh, with some family
Uh-huh.
here for another day, and then we go back to Bangalore. So
Mm-hmm.
there was a wedding. It was in what is the place called Sakinaka.
Sakinaka. Okay, I think it comes in Andheri.
Yes, yes, Andheri.
Yeah.
We were staying in Ville Parle,
Okay.
and I think it was about 20 minutes from there to the wedding venue.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
a very old friend of mine. I had to come and see her. Well, his daughter was growing up when we were in Dubai for many years, and she was getting married, now.
Mm-hmm.
So we wanted
Okay.
to be there.
Mm-hmm. How
They are
was the
from.
wedding?
How old is she?
No, no, how was the wedding?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, they're very. Both the families we knew.
Mm-hmm.
Because both were in Dubai at that time earlier,
Okay.
and one of them is settled in Pune. Sandeep Vengsarkar. His name is Sandeep Vengsarkar, and his wife. And this guy is in Dubai still. Wedding was very
Mm-hmm.
Maratha style. The
Okay.
headgear
Mm-hmm.
and wonderful
Yeah.
colors. The colors
Yeah.
of clothes they wear and the traditional uh, dresses which even the parents were wearing, not only
Yes.
the bride and groom.
Yes. Yes.
They must have changed their clothes at least four times
Now
during
I think
the.
it's trend. Changing clothes now for every function. Every different ceremony we wear different clothes. Mostly
Yeah,
grooms and wedding, groom and
yeah.
bride. Yes,
No, even here the parents, two of them,
parents
husband.
and whole family nowadays. Change the clothes for every different means every function.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the best part was their selection of clothes was so nice.
Hmm.
Beautiful colors, beautiful combinations, and it made the event, because it was a long event, because the
Yes.
wedding started and then it ended in between lunch break or
Yes.
something, and then there was reception.
Yeah.
So it was from morning 10 o'clock to it went on till 4 o'clock
Hmm.
in the evening, which is the longest wedding I've attended actually, because
Hmm.
our weddings are short, and reception is always held later,
Yes.
next in the evening or next day evening.
Yes.
Here, everything was in one hall, and they kept changing the clothes and settings, lighting a little bit here and there. So it was very interesting.
Yes.
We are happy we made it, because I've not attended a Marathi wedding earlier.
Okay.
We have seen a Bengali wedding, we have seen other South Indian weddings. This was really nice, very nice, and very good music. Was going on. Very good food was arranged. It kept changing all the time, so it was well attended, very well attended. Uh, because they were, the students, not very long ago, both of them. So I think the groom was studying in US,
Okay.
in Boston, and he had his friends from there. About five, six of American friends had come down, and they also
Mm-hmm.
had to dress with that. What do you
Yeah,
call
all the
that? What?
traditional dress they wear. Yes.
Yeah, they were requested to wear it, I think. So they also enjoying the food and the different. They asking so many questions. Why is this? Why is that? Rituals.
And
It
I
was.
think they take more interest rather than us. Even I also
Uh,
observed one of the wedding, they came from America, and I think they were like in group 20, more than 20. And they wear all the saris and put long big
Bindi.
bindi.
The
Yes,
yes, of course, it's a novelty for them, because
yes,
they don't have anything like this.
yes,
Uh, Most of them would be attending a church wedding or a very small,
yes.
gathering. In India, you have 500 people come. 500 is small, but I
Hmm.
think 500 people might have come, or little more than that, maybe. But for them, 500 people is a lot of people.
Yes.
Uh, they're not used to such big, gathering, and they're curious to know what's going on and different meaning of the rituals for the
Yes, yes.
bride or the bridegroom, and the Saat Fera and all that, whatever. There was a commentary. Somebody was giving commentary also.
Mm-hmm.
What is going to happen in English. I think
Okay.
he and his wife are doing it. So for those who are not from the community, like us,
They
we
can
are also,
understand.
you can
Yes.
understand something. Some of it is common,
Mm-hmm.
which we also do. Some are new,
Yes.
So it was very nice, very very nice. Right. That's it. Okay, madam, how you been? What has been your activity in the last 10 days, 15
Last,
days?
actually, last means 1 week I was not well.
Huh?
Really means yes, I got fever, cough, cold, and last 1 week I had sessions with tutors because not in morning time I take session in evening time.
1st of March. Today is
Okay.
6th. No? It's almost 1 week now. I've
Mm-hmm.
been traveling, and since I had to attend the wedding also, plus
Mm-hmm.
I had to attend a family demise. Somebody passed away in
Oh.
Pune, so we had to go and pay our condolences to his wife, a cousin of the family of my wife, and he had died in Sholapur, and it happened very very suddenly, so we could not attend anything. So
Mm-hmm.
we had to go and meet her and daughter in Pune, and then finish that, and then we leave tomorrow back. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one of the things I want to touch upon, adjectives, right?
Adjectives I know, yes.
Give me some examples of general adjectives, what you would use in your speech.
Like she is a girl, so if she is a beautiful girl, so here beautiful is
Adjective.
an adjective.
You say, instead of saying five, if you say there's a substantial number of people, so
Mm-hmm.
substantial will be adjective.
Substantial.
Substantial means a big number, right? Or you could say minimal number of people, or minimal number of examples,
Yeah.
or minimal number of choice.
There
That
was a
minimal,
massive crowd. Massive
massive,
is
massive,
massive
massive
is an
is,
adjective.
yes. So that is known as a degree adjective. Degree means it is explaining to somebody how many could be there. Minimal,
Okay.
substantial, what is it? You could say significant. You could say moderate.
Mm-hmm.
That is to measure a moderate number of people had come, or a minimal
Yeah.
number had come.
Yeah.
Or you can say constant. Constant is again a degree. That means the
Yeah.
same thing continuing in a
Okay.
similar way. So constant. So in adjective system, there are different adjectives which are describing different context or
Mm.
situation.
Yes.
So descriptive, you said beautiful. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you said massive. The same word
Yeah.
can be used here.
Yes.
You can also say, for example, in a positive way, how does the building look? Does it look really nice?
Amazing.
Huh?
Amazing is
Amazing. You can say stunning.
stunning. Yes.
You can say magnificent. Like if you look at a
Magnificent.
building like
Yeah.
Taj Mahal, you can say magnificent, or you could say elegant.
Elegant.
Then, of course, other words like lovely, gorgeous, it's all
Yes.
descriptive. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, these descriptive words can also be positive descriptive or negative descriptive.
Negative. Yes.
Negative also. Negative, can you think of any words? If you're going to
Yes.
say something not,
He's a
very
he's
bad,
a
is
bad
very,
person.
very common.
An ugly person.
Ugly. Ugly is descriptive, negative.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, the ugly is one, yes. There are other words you use to describe people also. One is repulsive.
Repulsive.
Repulsive. Repulsive means you don't feel like going there to meet them. They are
Okay.
repulsive by nature. It need not be how they look. It can be as people
Okay.
also. You don't like certain people, so they're repulsive. They are revolting. There's a word, revolting.
Mm-hmm.
Revolting means you feel like going back. Uh,
Okay.
जाके मिलना नहीं है. I'm okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to see them. They say the wrong things or something like
Repulsive.
that. Repulsive. Or horrible is a word.
Horrible.
Horrible.
Yes.
They're horrible, uh, you know, describing in family or people which you don't like. That's your impression or experience with them. Uh, you can say when you're describing a dress, there's a word which you can say ridiculous.
Ridiculous. Can we use for dress?
Yes, yes. You can say ridiculous outfit or ridiculous dress.
Ridiculous outfit.
Or you can use a word gaudy. Gaudy
Body.
means so colorful that it's so gaudy. You
Okay.
know, it looks doesn't look nice because the color combination is not right or the
Okay.
color is too loud.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you know. What else can you use? Yeah, dress. You can be that revolting and repulsive and ugly are people or nature. It
Mm-hmm.
need not be physical description. It can be even a nature. I mean, they are character, revolting, repulsive, ugly. You can use them. The other type of adjective is quality called reliable.
Reliable.
Reliable. There's a word called durable. So if you buy a furniture, you would say it's very durable furniture. That means it will last me for good time because of the quality.
Okay.
Or
Reliable and
durable and reliable.
yes.
Reliable means you can depend on it. It will not fail.
Yes. Yes.
I bought a washing machine last month.
Yeah.
It's working very well and it looks very reliable.
Okay.
It will not break down that easily. Or a air
Mm-hmm.
conditioner or uh, even a car for that matter.
Reliable.
Reliable. Uh,
And what
other
other word you have you told?
many reliable and durable.
Durable.
Durable means long lasting,
Okay.
right? And there
Yes.
are other words you can use which is a little more advanced these days. Is one is world class.
World class. Yes.
Uh, one is cutting edge. They say cutting
Cutting
edge
edge.
is edge. Cutting edge is technology. It has
Yes.
got cutting edge technology.
Yes.
Okay, use that
I
word.
know this word, but I thought that it is only used for technology.
Quality. Yeah, technology, yes, but it's uh, describing a quality of a product or a service.
Cutting edge
Uh,
means cutting
cutting
edge quality.
quality
Yes.
or cutting edge technology or cutting edge
So how
innovation.
we use for a quality this word?
Okay, I would say I bought a laptop
Hmm.
last month. It is the latest model of Apple, and it's got cutting edge technology
Okay.
or innovative cutting edge technology. Innovative means something new, right? So, or
Mm-hmm.
you can say it follows a cutting edge innovation in its
Mm-hmm.
features, because it's the latest and it's the technology is not with everybody. It is with them,
Yes.
with Apple, right? So you
Yes.
can use words like state of the art. State of the art is
Yes, this word I also know, but I
yeah.
was thinking that it is only for we can use for technology.
No, state of the art is the quality of work. For example, you build a house, and your neighbor built a house, and you can say, oh, he built a house. It's state of the art. That means it's outstanding features, material, finish,
Mhm.
architecture, all of that, all of that. Overall, the house is state of the art.
Okay. State of art means uh,
State of the art. The will
state of
come.
the art.
State of the art. It means anything you want to think of a house when you normally describe a nice office or a nice. You can't say state of the art suit.
Hmm.
You can say state of the art a durable product like a house or an office
Hmm.
or a monument
Hmm.
or something really big, big investment. And state of the art means in every aspect, whether it's the design, the architecture, the finish, the material used, uh, the color used, anything is
Hmm.
top notch. Top notch is another good word. Top notch. Top notch. Yeah, that's another word. Innovative is commonly used. Innovative is just new ideas. That's it. You know about food. How you describe food in adjective?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh, Scrumptious
Yeah.
and means and finger licking
Yes.
and mouth watering.
Yes.
It's a very simple word. What we say. It's tasty.
Tasty. Yes, of
Yeah.
course. Of course. What other words do I have? One is you can say, you said awesome earlier. You can say awesome for the food also. Nothing wrong in that.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can use words like nourishing, healthy,
Healthy. Yes.
nourishing, healthy, aromatic. Aromatic means the smell. Aromatic.
Aromatic.
Yeah. When you're using spices, the Iranian biryani is aromatic because they use saffron and other
Aroma
spice.
and aromatic.
Aromatic. Yeah. Aromatic means good aroma. Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, think of the weather. What is the weather around you? How would you describe the weather in adjective?
Firstly, we can describe as a weather is pleasant, moderate, and another bad weather also we say
Yeah, bad weather, you actually would say, if you say pleasant, you can say unpleasant.
unpleasant. Yes.
If you say cold, you can say hot.
Cold, hot weather. Yes.
Antonym kind of thing.
Humid, humid.
Yes, yes, yes. Bombay is humid. Uh, Another word for humid, can you think of?
It's sweaty,
It's oppressive. Oppressive. OPPRESSIVE.
oppressive
Oppressive.
or
Oppressive is humidity. Sweaty, sweaty,
sweaty.
sweaty. Or you say breezy, sunny, misty, cloudy. These are all adjectives, which describes only weather. Because why I'm insisting on this is because the particular adjective should be in direct context to the what you're going to describe.
Okay. Yeah.
So, for example, you cannot say, yeah, you can say pleasant food, but it doesn't give the right meaning.
Hmm.
It's not wrong, but what is the meaning you get? Pleasant food.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. You know, uh,
Hmm.
whereas if you say it's, I mean, really sumptuous, it gives a meaning, right? So
Yes.
the idea is to give the word which has got the right mood or the
Hmm.
right context, you know. So, and there
Yeah.
is other adjectives in behavior, in what is it, attitude, in mood,
Hmm.
in environment, and these are all adjectives used for the particular, uh, you know, type of adjective.
Yes.
Because many people use the wrong adjective in the wrong place, you know.
Hmm.
So the meaning when you hear is not right.
Yeah.
So for example, if you're talking about mood, how would you describe somebody's mood? Like वो आज कैसा दिख रहा है, उसका मूड कैसा है? What do you say?
Mostly, I say he is not in good mood.
uh,
And
irritated mood.